my name is Iverson D. Malit from the grade 12 St. Mark, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing about the three types of authority. So let's go and get started. For the first one, we have traditional authority. This type of authority is based on customs, traditions, and long-standing practices. It's where leaders hold power because it's the way it has always been. So as an example, kings and queens in monarchies, they inherit their positions through family lines. Think of Queen Elizabeth II, whose authority came from centuries of royal tradition. Another example of traditional authority are tribal leaders, who are often chosen based on their age, wisdom, or family heritage. Traditional authority is stable, but it can resist change because it relies on old custom. As pretty self-explanatory, traditional authority, really old authority, type of authority. So for the next one, we have charismatic authority. This type is based on the personal charm, inspiration, or extraordinary qualities of a leader. People follow charismatic leaders because they believe in their vision or feel personally connected to them. Think of figures like Mahatma Gandhi or Martin Luther King Jr., or even modern celebrities who inspire movements. Charismatic authority is powerful but temporary. It often fades when the leader is gone unless their ideas are institutionalized. So that's for charismatic authority. Now let's move on for the last one. Lastly, we have legal rational authority. This type is based on established laws and rules. Leaders hold power because of the system that they represent, not because of tradition or charisma, unlike the previous two types of authority, the traditional and charismatic authority. So, for example, in democracies, presidents or prime ministers are chosen through elections, and their authority comes from the constitution or the law itself. So, what is an example of this? Imagine a police officer directing traffic. Their authority doesn't come from who they are personally, but from the laws that give them the power to enforce rules. So, let's go and summarize these three types of authority. Traditional authority comes from customs, charismatic authority comes from the leader's personality themselves, and the legal rational authority comes from laws and systems. Each type plays an important role in how societies are organized and governed. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.